Alright guys, so this is a really simple Halloween setup. I've got the MJX Bugs 3. I've got this little ghost here, and pretty much he's just a styrofoam egg shape here with some little eyes and a mouth painted in with marker. Some little styrofoam noodles here. On the inside, I've got a little light for his head. So this is it. This is my Halloween setup. It's so light. The Bugs has no trouble at all picking up on it. And the light from the Bugs really does a great job shining down on it. Look, it's a very stable hover. I don't even have my hand on the controller, and look, the Bugs is really stable in the air with this. So you don't have to worry. The great thing is when you got cars going by, they stop. They're like, what the hell is that? He's got leaves on him, see?
It's like a ghost picture on the end. Like a superpower. I just saw a shadow.
So that's my MJX Bugs drone ghost setup for Halloween. I'll see you guys in the next video.